Introduction. Java has established as the most pervasive object-oriented programming language. It has introduced several new concepts and is inseparably connected to the networking computing paradigm and protocol and is known as RMI WOP. Selecting the appropriate distributed object model for the target application domain is a multi-criteria decision problem. ATM networks in 6. The author compared the performance of socket-based communication (RPC) remote procedure call Orbix and overbilling over ATM network and discovered the sources of overhead. They used a single client and a single server configuration. Literature survey. In literature survey, an RMI means remote method invocation service framework that enables a non-Java application to be managed by an RMI activation system. Domain is disclosed. The present invention enables the non-Java application to communicate with other Java applications that make use of RMI following a registration process. RMI is the Java version of what is generally known as a remote procedure call, but with the ability to pass one or more objects along with the request. The object can include information that will change the service that is performed in the remote computer. Sensor nodes are likely to be deployed in hostile locations which are accessible to an attacker. Thus, these nodes are prone to be captured and compromised to adversaries. An attacker can use these compromised nodes to launch various attacks, a serious one of which is false data injection. These compromised nodes inject large of bogus packets to flood the network, which can lead to exhaust the network resources. Problem analysis. In problem analysis, we are analyzing the overhead. We have used a modified version of the performance evaluation application described in section 3 to get the insight into multiplexing, demultiplexing, dispatching and demarshalling. We have decided to use the class OctSec test server. Data type byte or octet requires the least amount of conversion. Therefore, it is the data type best suited for studying and comparing the conversion. Therefore, it is the data type best suited for studying and comparing the behavior. We have analyzed the method accept type, which has been invoked 200 times. Methodology. It is responsible for handling the detail of the communication, marshalling the client's request, locating the appropriate target object, transferring the request, receiving the message request, demultiplexing, demarshalling and dispatching the request, performing an operation call, returning the result.
The client and the server system. The client and the server system under a test are running a tightly controlled repeated loops or remotely request. The request time in the distributed configuration is apparently CPU time plus network time plus server CPU plus network time. Assuming a single message in out per methods cost once in a steady state. Since the same processing it takes in the client and the server processor. Whether they are on the same physical machines or two distributed machines or a single machine transport optimization at the very low level and the remaining concerns of the given transport. It can be in the case that it will achieve the fastest RIT running distributed that when on a single machine. CPU consumption of client and the server machine is important in determining the machine capacity. When analyzing results from the single computer, uniprocessing configuration clearly both the server and the client path lengths are being measured together. There will be some of the low-level transparent sharing opportunities as are look back rather than network measurements. Through note of this will be the constants in the results of the any given protocols. Throughput is defined as the number of methods innovations in a given time interval. Throughput and the round trip the time are inversely proportional to performance degradation when multiple clients simultaneously interact with a single server. Performance degradation is a chain index is computed as quietly between the RTT by the given number of simulation clients and the RTT by the given number of clients minus 1. RTTs for the state simulation have been measured. The application-driven framework manages physically separated, identically client. Computer synchronization measurements runs. Each client generates a new object request as soon as it receives the processive response without delay. The test is the internet to show the efficiency upon response time in increasing workload as opposite to the realistically simulating a specific number of end users. In this test, a single client machine does not typically saturated to the server CPU capacity. To this together, which matching the effectiveness means that the total number of comparator of this requires as per the unit time increases somewhat as per the number of the client machine is increased. Concurrent programming has two main benefits. First, it allows the natural solutions of the software design problems that will enhance the balance and distributed. Second, the concurrent programs offers efficiency in the sequential programmer. Certainly, it does not require the program from the potential pitfall of the controlling the concurrent access to the remote objects. Consequently, RMI applications are prone to the same problem as a concurrent program in general. Conclusion. The increasing demand of the application connectivity and the interoperability influence the role of distributed objects module in all areas of application development with the use of distributed object model in the mission's critical applications of the performance questions because of the more and more important. In this paper, a detailed performance analysis is important distributed objects models in the Java has been done. RMI is the newly developed RMI 11OP which enables the users of RMI over the IIOP protocol and makes it more compliant. Performance has its measures for the elegant use of the users, which include single and multiple client synchronization, which up to the 8 grams of in the performance comparison, RMI provides the best results in the test online. Although for the basic data types, the results of the different factors are 38 Mbps, in which more than a third of the theoretical networks. The overload analysis showed that the bootleg falls in the following categories. The overlap of the low-level methods that take care of the socket-based communication. Second, the insufficient thread management, ineffective algorithm for demultiplexing and demarginalization. Fourth, the exclusive data copying is for the low methods of the concurrence involves. We have all that the remote methods innovation performance is critical in a large distributed system. RMI 11OP provides a valuable alternative which will mark Java object interoperable with an co-program objects while providing excellent performance and the relative ease of the development. Reference these are the references that we have provided for our case study.